AbbieCurls. Thank you for clicking on this video. Like, subscribe and comment. Let's get straight into it.
Did they? Yeah. What, they reached out and grabbed you? Yeah. Yeah, you can. Try again.
That's my little intro. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my niece with me. What's your name?
Leasia,
How old are you?
9.
And what are we doing today?
Wow. Abbie's doing my hair and I'm doing her hair.
Yeah, so we're both doing each other's hair. This is a style that Leasia chose from my Instagram because she likes the look of the little top knot. So I'm doing that on her today. This is what I did, looks all cute. And then she did the same style on me. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we're both starting off on freshly washed hair. We've both got our hair in plaits. You washed your hair last night, didn't you?
Yeah.
Did you do it yourself?
Yeah.
How did you do it?
I used like this shampoo, but I don't know what it's called.
Mm-hmm.
And I used, after that, I used coconut oil in my hair. And then I washed that out and then...
So you use shampoo, coconut oil, is that coconut oil conditioner?
Yeah.
And then you washed it out?
Yeah.
And you did that all yourself?
Yeah.
Did you find it hard?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I was in the bath and when I was in the shower, it was a bit easier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So usually you do it in the shower, but this time you did it in the bath.
Yeah.
So you had to dunk your hair under the water so
Yeah.
it's out.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get into it. Spin around. How long her hair is? All the way down here. Super long. I can't wait to have daughters so that I can style their hair all the time. And what I'll do when I have a daughter, I think I'm gonna like always have the same hairstyle. So if I have a high bun, my daughter's gonna have a high bun. If I wear my hair out, my daughter will wear her hair out. So we can be twinning all the time. Whoa, bush. Nice hair. Right. So to make it easier to slick down the sides, I'm gonna pull it up into a loose ponytail first.
Okay.
Like this. So then I can slick it up without it falling back down. Your head is so little and cute. Your head is so small. Okay, so I've just moisturised her edges. Sprayed a little bit of water, added a moisturiser so I can smooth them up. And then I'm going to add some gel and smooth it in. And then I'll do the ponytail properly. Comfortable, yeah? So we've got the ponytail done, nice and high. Okay, now for the bun. Okay, yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is split this in half, twist each side, and then wrap them around each other to make the bun. Yeah? And then we'll add some gold bits on it as well.
Okay.
And do your edges.
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like your hair?
Yeah.
Would you change anything about your hair?
No.
Oh, that's good. That's really good.
My hair.
Why do you look so shocked? What have you been doing in half term then? Anything fun?
Yeah, I went to Thunder World.
Wonderworld. Did you go?
Yeah.
Did you go on all the rides?
Yeah, not all of them, but some of them. But I went on this one where it goes really fast all the way around and you have to sit and it goes like that.
Ooh.
It was fun.
Did that make you feel sick?
Yeah, kind of.
It
Was fun. I was crying.
Were you? Why? Because you were scared?
No, because it was like the wind.
Because of the wind
like,
in your eyes?
I went on the ghost train.
Was it scary?
Yeah, somebody touched me.
Did they?
Yeah.
What, they reached out and grabbed you?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Scary.
I would have screamed. Did you scream?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, she doesn't believe that my nails are real.
They're not.
They are real. Because when you
Yeah.
have fake nails, you can
Like-
see like the real nail underneath. You actually don't believe me?
No.
Why? They're real, I promise. Say hey in the camera.
Hi.
Wait, come in, come in. Say hi.
Hi. What if you have a boy, not a girl?
If I have a boy, I'm going to keep his hair long.
Well,
For a while anyway. You know how Rio's hair is?
yeah.
I'll keep it long for a few years so I can still style his hair. I'll put it up into buns and stuff and like plaits like Rio has.
Mm-hmm.
Is that her?
No.
And yeah, plaits and everything like that. But then when he gets to about, probably when he's 4, that's probably when I'll cut it. If he wants to anyway, I'll let him decide. So when he's old enough to make this decision for himself, that's when I'll let him cut it if he wants to. Oh, so pretty! So this is the part that we've been excited for, because I'm going to slit down her edges like how I do mine. Right. Yes. Okay, yeah, so we're just setting her edges with this, and then you're gonna do my hair.
Yeah.
Do you think you can do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so whilst Lily's hair is setting with the head tie, she's gonna try and do my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna take this bit out. What you need to do is split this in half.
Yeah.
Split in half.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, good.
Yeah.
And then just do a normal twist. So both sections, twist it into one twist.
Like that, yeah.
Try and make it nice and tight. Okay, is that one done as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, did you see how I did your bun?
Yeah.
Twisted them around each other around the front. Cool, yes!
Your mine's a
Cute.
bit higher though, but yours is flat.
Yeah. See, I told you yours was going to be bigger than mine. It's because you've got more hair than me. Okay, so this is Lily's bun on me. I think she's done a good job. Now you've got to try and do my edges.
I'm using some Echo gel for Abbie's hair.
Eco?
That she did for mine.
Eco?
Eco.
Yeah. So you'll brush it with one, then hold it with the other one, then you can scoop it up.
Oh, okay.
See what I mean? Yes. Yeah, perfect.
I can't do it.
Yeah, you can. Try again.
I can't.
Yeah, cute. I feel that would make you jump more. Oh, damn.
Abbie!
So, this is the finished product for what Lily did to my hair. How do I look?
You look great.
Good?
Yeah.
Should we take your bandana off? Let's take this off.
Oh, that was better.
Turn. Yes, see,
My
that's
ears are
stuck down.
flat.
You like it?
Yeah.
Thumbs up. So this is the finished product of both of our buns. How do you think she did with my edges, guys? I quite like them. Do we look like twins?
Yeah.
We look like twins now.
Make sure you comment, like, subscribe,
Share with your friends.
share with your friends, and click on this video.
Yeah.